Today we are going to make burnt garlic chicken breast in creamy sauce, and the ingredients for which are we will take 2 chicken pieces and make 2 to 3 cuts on both the sides. Crush some black pepper. Sprinkle in some salt. Rub the chicken pieces. We will repeat the process on the other side and then set aside our chicken for rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In 1 teaspoon of oil, add 2 teaspoons of butter. Let it melt. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Saute it nicely. Now we are going to add quarter teaspoon of mixed herbs, quarter teaspoon of red chili flakes. Give it a quick mix. Place the chicken pieces in the pan and then we will cook it till it is nice golden in color. Then we are going to flip it and cook it from the other side. Our chicken is done. Now transfer it to a plate and reserve it for later. Add half cup of water. You can also add chicken stock. If you are not using chicken stock, then add 1 chicken stock cube. It is easily available in the market. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Then we are going to add 1 cup of fresh cream. Now add 1 cup of fresh cream. Mix it nicely and bring it to a boil. Then we are going to add our chicken pieces and cook them till they are perfectly done. Add the chicken pieces to the boiling sauce and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Then we are going to turn our chicken pieces and cook them from the other side till they are soft and tender. Chicken is perfectly done from both the sides. Now we are going to transfer it to a serving dish. Our burnt garlic chicken breast in creamy sauce are ready to serve. For more such easy and delicious recipes, please like, share and subscribe the channel.